In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate personalized outputs using Grok AI, Advanced Tips 2026. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and head to grok.com. This is where you'll access the main interface. You don't need anything fancy here, just make sure you're on the official site and you're good to go. If you have an account, go ahead and log in. This part is quick and optional, but it's helpful because it saves your chats and settings so you can pick up right where you left off. If you prefer to explore without signing in, you can still follow along and try everything I'm about to show you. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface. Front and center is the chat bar, the place where all the action happens. Think of it as your command line for ideas. Everything you ask, refine, or generate flows through this box, so keeping your instructions clear here will make a big difference. Before you type, glance at the mode selector. You can switch modes like auto, fast, or expert. Auto is a balanced, set it and forget it choice that adapts to your prompt. Fast prioritizes speed, perfect for quick brainstorming or rapid variations. Expert goes deeper, taking a little more time to deliver more thorough, structured responses. Choose the mode that matches your goal. You can always change it as you iterate. Now let's generate ideas. In the chat bar, type Generate Personalized Outputs Ideas. Grok will return structured, detailed suggestions you can use right away. This is your starting point. To make the results truly personalized, add context directly in your next message. Mention your industry, audience, tone, format, or constraints. For example, you can specify that you want ideas tailored for a beginner audience, formatted as an outline, or aligned to a particular style. The clearer your context, the more on target your output will be. If you want more detail, just ask follow-up questions in the same thread. Request expansions, examples, alternatives, or a different tone. Ask it to compare options, combine the best parts, or turn a rough idea into a polished draft. Treat it like a collaborative partner. Give quick feedback, tighten requirements, and nudge it toward your preferred structure. Staying in one conversation helps Grok remember what you've already said, so your results become more consistent over time. That's all you need to generate personalized outputs with confidence. Visit grok.com, use the chat bar, pick the mode that fits, start with a clear prompt, and iterate with focused follow-ups. Keep refining, and you'll see your outputs get sharper, faster, and more aligned with your goals.